is up? What is up, Starfire Group? Today I'm going to be showing you how I mow the lawn. I know you guys are like, what? It's mowing the lawn. What's so hard about that? But trust me, it's hard. Very, 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 very. Like, it's like super hard. Oh my god. It is super hard. Hi. Okay, what expression am I making? Is it happy? Is this happy, surprised, or normal? Did you guys guess it? It's surprise. Which one is this? Is it surprised, happy, or sad? You guessed it. Happy. Okay, last one is this: normal, happy, don't care, or sad. Did you guys guess it? It's sad. Okay, let's go and see the lawnmower that I'm going to be mowing the lawn with today. It is a very, very, very old-fashioned lawnmower. I started it just a little, not all the way, but yeah, I started it. This is it, you guys. It's going to be a lot of work. So, I'll catch up with you when I'm done mowing the lawn. Wait, I gotta give you a before and after look. Before. And after. Are you guys ready for the after? Voila. You guys, it literally took me no longer than an hour and a half. I think it was exactly an hour and a half. But other than that, I'm done, you guys. So, I know this video is only like a couple minutes long, or probably seconds, I don't know. But, geez.